Hey, my name's Tyler, and this is my friend Eon. I got the Odyssey Parens, the ODI long necks, the Flybike Luna bars version 1, 8-inch rise, Primo Annihilator stem.
Version 1.
Yes, version 1. Stock, 30 forks, bent. Very bent.
What about the headset?
It's a Ritchie headset, my
Alright.
good sir. I got the nitrous double shot rims for the front and back. Stolen Thermalite pegs.
Tires.
Kind of contact tires. Shadow axle bolt. Stock cranks. Stolen Thermalite pedals. Now to the other side. We got the Shadow Ravager sprocket. The Shadow Interlock 2 chain. The Stolen Thermalite seat and seat post combo. Yeah, you like the damn comps.
Stock C-clamp.
Yes, stock seat clamp. And
I think that's it. Yeah, nitrous double shot back rim.
yeah, it says
Standard
it.
contact. Yeah, alright.
Bye.